Hey everyone, how you doing? Me Tim, showing you the snow we got yesterday. I had my van all swept off yesterday. Look at it. It got snow back on it. I had this thing shoveled too. That driveway. I even had our walks shoveled off too. You could tell the roads ain't that good. See how deep it is. Not too deep. Well, it's a drift, I know that. Look at it. Yeah, we got some snow yesterday. You can tell how deep it is. Got my shoes all covered. Got my hair almost covered. I'm gonna have to come back out here and shovel. Yeah, this is the snow we got yesterday. Well, it started Saturday evening and all day yesterday. And I did have this driveway shoveled, but wanted to come back. Now it's a cold one out. And that's how deep it is with the blowing and drifting. Looks like I got me a job to do. That's our snow that we got here in Michigan after our snowstorm.